Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and doing well. Guys, the process of digging this passage for the water has been started. Now I have pushed this digging process, as you can see before me, and now I'm thinking to stop here today. Next day maybe inshallah I will be here again to start from that same place. As you can see before me, it was really amazing to start our new journey of wheat growing, and this is one of the essential part of irrigating that field of area. And now I have collected a lot of courage to push myself forward digging. This is a very well determined ambition. One must collect a lot of courage to carry on this kind of thing. It took me a lot of courage. Now I'm heading towards the home on my motorcycle. If you want, I can guide you through, and we will talk things while on the way. So let's go home. This has been done, what could be done, and next day if we live again, guys, nobody knows how much he is gonna live in this unpredictable world. This is a place for the survival, guys, and we are doing what we can survive for. And let's go, guys, let's go. Here are my keys. Must be in my pocket. Yeah, it's here. And while I do such a hard kind of thing here, and I find this riding thing kind of entertaining for me, and I really enjoy riding while I am going back. Let's go and enjoy our riding. So guys, our conversation would be a little noisy, I think, but let's go. Let's go. Goodbye guys, that's it. Goodbye, Allah Hafiz.